In this video, we'll take a look at how to create an activity in the activity register in Omega 365. Also, how to add checklists, how to add attachments, data, and attributes. Activities are used to identify and define the scope of work, like planning, execution, and documentation of a delivery. Click on the menu icon and type activity in the search bar. On the top row, you will find the New Activity button. Once you click on it, you can begin entering the required information: org unit, activity type, and name. If you click Save and Close, you'll find the activity in the activity register. In this example, we'll select Save and Open. Under the Check Items tab, you can create a checklist. You can also include attachments to the checkpoints. You can add workflows. On the Setup tab, you can enter data and attributes to the activity. You can add name, org unit, activity type, description, checklist, and so on. You can also add different actions by pressing the Commands button. Under the Related Data tab, you can add additional data and attributes to the activity, such as documents from the document register, risk from the risk register, and so on. All the data that can be added here is data that already exists in the system. Under the Sub-Activities tab, you can create new sub-activities, or you can add already existing sub-activities. The Add New Activity button allows you to add a new sub-activity, while the Add Sub-Activity button allows you to link to an existing activity as a sub-activity. If during an inspection we find errors, deficiency, or deviations, we can create a punch. We can do this by going to the Check Items tab and press the Create New Punch Item button. A punch is registered the same way we register a workflow. The difference is that you have to select punch items. On the lower part of the Setup tab, you can assign responsibilities to roles and people, and whether the role or person should sign the activity. One can link the activity to a plan. The actual planning will take place in the Plans and Schedules app, but can also be updated here. Adding related activity from scope items lets you add a related task from the scope items registry. Under the tab Procedure, you can write or view a procedure, and in the Conclusion tab, you can write a conclusion based on the execution of the activity. You can enter a location, and in the Attachments tab, you'll find an overview of all the attachments in the activity. That's it for today. In this video, you have learned how to create an activity in the activity register in Omega 365, how to add checklists, attachments, data, and attributes. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.